For this repair, we're going to go back with 1/2 inch Pexs, and we're going to use these push to connect fittings. Here we go. Make sure there's no burrs on the end. Make sure your pipe is cut squarely. That insert right there fits in the middle of the pipe, so make sure you get it on straight. There's one. Go ahead and take the other end of our pipe. All we have on the truck today is red, so we're going to use red. Doesn't really matter what color it is, so as long as it doesn't leak. Now we'll make our connection on the other end.